With only 7 days left before his scheduled execution, death row inmate Robert Roberson has been granted a stay. This development is the result of a years-long battle over Roberson's 2003 conviction for the death of his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki Curtis. 2 investigators Robert Arnold read the ruling from the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals and breaks down what it means. Robert.
The Texas Court of Criminal Appeals did not grant Robert Roberson a new trial, but rather the chance to prove a new trial is needed. Roberson's conviction was based on a diagnosis of shaken baby syndrome, and the Court of Criminal Appeals ruling is based on Texas's junk science law. The case is far from over, though, but it means execution is off the table for now.
I believe it is a matter of documented, unambiguous, unassailable fact that for over 2 decades, Mr. Robert Roberson has never, not once, been afforded due process, and he has never had a fair trial.
From state lawmakers pushing for answers.
There's still a lot of work to do, but this is a giant step in the right direction. And the fact that Robert gets to live past next week is just absolutely incredible.
To a growing coalition of support.
All we asked for as an organization, we never said release Robert. All we said was give the man a fair trial, let all the facts come out, and hopefully today is the beginning of truth and fairness and restoring integrity in our criminal justice system.
Robert Roberson's case has gained international attention. Roberson was accused of shaking his daughter to death, but the science surrounding that diagnosis has changed over the past 2 decades. In fact, the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals ruled another similar conviction was overturned because of the changed science regarding shaken baby syndrome. Therefore, Roberson's case deserves more scrutiny.
The science has changed. We'll need to show that. And we'll need to show that the change in science is material to the conviction, that if a jury today heard the new science, there's a reasonable probability he would not be convicted.
What happens next is the case goes back to Anderson County, where the original trial was held, and there will be a hearing to determine if a new trial is warranted. The trial court will then issue a recommendation on whether it agrees whether a new trial is warranted or not. That recommendation will then go back to the Court of Criminal Appeals for a final decision. There is no time frame for when all of this will be resolved. The Texas Attorney General's office has taken over prosecution of this case and stands by Roberson's conviction. That office has not yet issued a statement on today's ruling. Neither has Governor Greg Abbott's office. Live in the newsroom, Robert Arnold, KPRC 2 News.